Good morning, me again. Thought I'd do another vlog. It's Saturday. I've just popped over to my local Linford Woods, managed by EWT. It's 7:45. I thought I'd come over here first to see if I can get ears on any nightingales. There's been some reports in the county that Linford Woods can be really good for nightingales. So I'm hoping we're going to get ears on one and I can record one for you to listen to, because they're a beautiful song. It's the males that sing, but the females don't. They're renowned for singing in the morning. You might hear one during the day, but morning time is the best time. Morning and evening time. So yeah, I'm going to go to the place where we normally get them, which is just down at the bottom of this path. Look at that mist. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at that. Yeah, I thought we'll see what other birds we can hear as well. It's a bit nippy. It's alright for walking around though. Look at that, that's beautiful, isn't it? Chiff chaffs. Blue tits and grey tits. Yeah, let's go see if we can get ears on a nightingale. Got one. First nightingale of the year. There you go. Yes. How cool's that? Exactly the same place as last year and the year before. And I think the year before that as well. There you go. Oh look, someone's put a feeder out. So I was only here 4 days ago and there was no nightingale, so he's only just recently turned up. I'll try and get another recording in a minute when you start singing again. I know. Green woodpecker. I've managed to record the sub-call of the nightingale, but not the actual call that everyone knows. It's definitely a nightingale because I've just got my Merlin app and recorded a nightingale sub call. There's a robin up here. He's trying to out-sing it. There's the robin up here. The nightingale's gone a bit quiet now. Let's have a walk around and see what. There's normally more than once up in this area. Oh, robin singing away up there, look. I think that nightingale has moved along there somewhere. I've seen two swallows as well, swallows or swifts, flying over this field, over this horse paddock. So I'm going to go up to Rainham marshes after this. Oh, there's a blackcap in there. Male blackcap. Yeah, plan is to go over to Rainham for the day. Oh, it's nice weather. There's birch trees. There's another birch tree there. Oh, there's plenty of blackcaps in there. Yeah, my camera's bloody heavy. Blackcap. Full of bird life in there. Someone's put a load of feeders out, which is nice. I don't know why I didn't do that. The feeder over there just had a great split woodpecker on it. Peanut feeders. So we put those out, all done. Oh, I just heard another nightingale over this way. Yeah, that one's calling over there again now, the sub-call. But I think there might be another one. Just had a lovely missile thrush in that tree. Yeah, there's a nightingale over there. I think there may be two. Yeah, over there. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, that's a sub-call again. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that was definitely a nightingale then. There you go. Yes, gotcha. Such a beautiful song. In there somewhere. They're really hard to see at times. They don't really come out in the open that very often. They're quite secretive birds. A bit like the Setis warbler. They actually might be in the... I know, what family are they in? Warbler family, I think. I'm on a WhatsApp group, East Tilbury Wildlife sort of birding page. Someone's just photographed the cuckoo down the sea wall, so that's good. All the summer species are starting to turn up now. Blackcap. I'm trying to get more recordings of this bumblebee. Not bumblebee. Nightingale. There's a blackcap in there somewhere. That's a blackcap. Love this time in the morning. I mean, I wanted to get out earlier, but didn't wake up to about 7. Yeah, got one over here. There you go. Definitely more than 2, for sure. It's over there somewhere. He's in full song. there's a white throat up there. Was it a nightingale? Let's get some shots, hang on. There's that one. There's another one there as well. It said two calling at the same time then. That tree somewhere. There is really good numbers of nightingales this year. I've lost count of how many I've seen and heard. Nightingales anyway. There must be an influx of them, what they call an influx. So I think they're all trying to get their find their own territories. It's absolutely crazy over here with nightingales. And years ago you'd be lucky if you could hear one nightingale. The last few years there's two. I've got one singing in front of me, one singing over there to the left. And there's one behind me as well. It's crazy. I've been trying to get a picture of one, but it's so hard. I say they like to stay under cover. There he is. Up there. Right, I've managed to get some recordings of nightingales. I was really surprised how many there was. So I'm going to head over to... where are we going now? Oh yeah, Rainham Marshes. I'm going to head over there for a day now. So I'll see you soon. Ta-da! Right, so I've just arrived at Rainham Marshes. I thought it opened at 9 o'clock in the summer, but it's not, it's 9:30. So I think I said before, RSPB members get to park for free. You've got to show your card on your dashboard. I think non-members are about £5 to park, I believe. So yeah, just waiting for the gate, just waiting for the thing to come down now. What's it called? Yeah, the bridge, waiting for the bridge to come down. I think today's going to be a good day. The light is stunning light, just up on the top of the sea wall. I've already heard of re-wobbler, and there's loads of goldfinch everywhere. So I think I'm going to be doing a few photos and video today. River's flat calm. There's been loads of summer species that have been reported already. So it's been ray wobbler. I think it's been a cuckoo. What's that bird called? Grasshopper wobbler being reported over here, and a few other bits and pieces. Oh, the great white egret, 2 have been reported over here. I think spoonbill in previous days as well. So yeah, I've got a lot of stuff to look out for today. So we're in Rspb Rainham marshes. The gates, the bridge has just gone down. So I'm going to have a mooch around that, see what we can see. So I've already heard a re-wobbler. Walking down the sea water, I could hear a re-wobbler singing away. First one in the year. It's a lovely morning. So yeah, hoping to get eyes on the great white egret, which I think I've just got eyes on the Perfleet scrape. And there might be one right outside the hide actually. Yeah, I'm going to sit in the hide for a bit. Oh, there's a cauliflower butterfly. Yeah, should be a good day. So this is probably going to be quite a long vlog today. Got a dunnet singing over there. There's been loads of, there's quite a few dunnets actually. It's alive, the marshes is alive. Oh, there's some goldfinch on the floor there. I think it's having a dust bath. Yeah, well, I should put my shorts on there. It's going to be quite warm. Re-wobbler. Yeah, re-wobbler. And this bit of marsh just over here, back of these brambles. Yeah, should be a good day. We've got another re-wobbler up here as well. Yes. One of my favourite birds is the re-wobbler. Yeah, can you hear him? First re-wobbler of the year. Love it. Sedge wobbler. Yes. Good day. Tortoiseshell butterfly. There's more than one red wobbler here. I can hear another one. Let's see if there's any waterfalls down here. No, not at the moment. Sedge wobbler. Blooming flies everywhere. Male sparrow. This is why I love the marshes so much. This time of year is absolutely amazing. It's alive with bird life. Well, it's alive with bird life all year round, but even more so this time of year. Oh, what's that up there? Oh, we've got a white throat. Hang on a second. Sorry, it's not a white throat, it's a female sparrow. And I think it's a fledgling. Yeah, it's a fledgling. I'll try and get some. Oh no, the breeding. That was cool. Just got some lovely shots of a pair of sparrows mating. I'll try and get some footage, but I've never seen it before. The female's still there. Here's the female. Oh, I've got some cracking shots. Excellent. Right, let's go into Purfleet Hide, which is just there. See what we can see. I did notice a great crested grebe as I was walking up. Right, while it's a bit quiet in the hide, I'm going to get some filming in on my other camera. Just set up in my bag. Because there's a lot of birders over there with scopes. So I'll make the most of it. There's a great little egret's just over there in one of the islands. There's just loads of bird life at the moment, so yeah, let's get a bit of filming in while I can. Come out the Perfleet hide now. It's getting a bit busy in there. Just going to have a slow mooch round, see what we can see what I can photograph. I want to try and get a reed wobbler if I can. Yeah, I managed to film a little bit in there. Blacktail got wet. I think I got a, oh, what are they called? Little grey plover, I think. I might have got one on film. Let's have a look when I get home. It's actually getting a bit nippy in that high, so I come out as well, so that's why I've just, the other reasons I come out. Yeah, that's it, that's what I see. Hoping to get eyes on the great white egret. There's been 2 spoonbill reported as well. They took a flight, they went apparently quite high up in the sky, so hoping they come back down and land somewhere. I see them. It's mad. So this time of year is fantastic to come to the Rainham marshes. Listen carefully, you might hear a marsh frog. I've heard it a couple of times. There you go. Down here somewhere. Oh, he's gone quiet. Typical, isn't it? As it warms up, the marsh frogs become more active. When the MD said didn't see much from there, so I'm just coming up to, oh, I forgot this bloody high called now. It's warming up. There's sedge wobblers everywhere. Reed wobblers. Nice to hear the reed wobblers. Trying to get shots is really hard this time of year. Yeah, it's definitely warming up a little bit. Right, I just spent a bit of time in the shooting buttside. It's really hazy in there. You're sort of shooting into the sun. But while I was in there was a report come up on what's it called? Thingy, I think it's called now. Or a red start, which was just in this area about 2 minutes ago. Also 2 spoonbills on the target pool, which is right over there. So I'm just going to have a little look around this area, see if I can get eyes on the red start. I've seen them at Coldhouse Fort, not Coldhouse Fort, Tilbury Fort last year. There was a pair. It's really hazy at the moment, so it's a bit difficult for shooting. Obviously shooting with sun behind you is alright, but this other direction it's really hazy light. I'm just going to have a little look, see if I can find this red start. Little Jenny Wren. I spent about 3 minutes having a look for the red start and the spoonbill. Didn't see neither of them. So I'm walking up to the Ken Barrett hide now, which is just up there. I've just got some nice shots of a grey heron. Just in a marsh area, just over there, male marsh area. Yeah, it's getting warm now. I might have to take my jumper off in a bit. Still haven't got eyes on the great white egret. I don't know if it's still here or not. They haven't been reported today, but they was reported yesterday. Yeah, it's lovely weather. Actually, wish I put my shorts on there. Yeah, so I'm just going to slowly have a walk up to the Canberra and see what we can see from there. And then I might pop to Coldhouse Fort on the way home. See what we can see up there as well. I've got most of it. I've got a pair of swans over here. Marsh rock. See this? There's a cormorant out there. Oh. That's where you know it's summertime. When you hear marsh frogs. I want to try and get some shots of marsh frogs. I haven't got any yet. I can show you what they look like if you haven't seen one before. But that's what they sound like anyway. There goes a cormorant. It's really hazy light and it's warm. It's really warm. I wish I put my shorts on there. So yeah, I'm just working my way to the Canberra, which is just up here. Hopefully it's not too busy. You do get marsh hares outside the Canberra, so I'm going to try and get, if there is, I'll try and get you some footage to show you. Yeah, it's been a good day so far. It's about 12:30ish. Yeah, it's more marsh frogs. I need to get myself a gimbal so I can keep my phone steady. There's a marsh frog down there somewhere. Right, let's go to the Canberra. I'll try and get some footage from there.
Sorry.
That's right. Spent about an hour in the Canberra hide. It was nice. Got some close-up images and footage of great-crested grebe and a couple of little egrets as well, which is nice. It's a lovely afternoon now. I've taken my jumper off, walk around my t-shirt. Let's change. So the last port of call is where I started. That's the Purfleet hide. Sitting there for a bit. So I'm just walking through the woodland area now. Yeah, it's been a good day so far. There's been another cooker reported. My neck of the woods. My mate Steve just texted me Said he had a cuckoo, he could hear a cuckoo over at Thameside Nature Reserve. It might be the same one that was seen this morning from another friend of mine, Adrian. City Swabbler. So yeah, a bit early this year, the cuckoo. This year's going to be a good year, I think. Especially with the climate's warming up. We're getting more birds arrive early, I think, on the migration. Especially those hoopoes that arrived. There's been quite a few hoopoes seen in the UK. I haven't seen one personally, I'd love to, but you never know, this year could be the year. Alright, just up this part now. I don't know what this part's called actually. It's just been a little ring plover reported from the Purfleet hide. So I'm going to go back in there for a while. Lovely weather. Oh, there's also been a peregrine falcon, not a peregrine falcon, a hobby reported as well. I'm looking out for that. Well, I think I'm going to finish this vlog here. So have a very good day at Rainham Marshes. Plenty of photos and footage to go through. To put in my vlog later. So, until the next one, stay safe, stay sane, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you soon. Bye.